Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to install HUAWEI Health app on Android. So first, power on your HUAWEI Watch Fit 5 or other HUAWEI watches. I have this one. Select the language, use QR code, then go into the QR code scanner. Here, scan the code, click open, select your phone brand, so I have Vivo, and then install right here. Download via browser, download, open, and install. And that's it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.